Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change Quora password. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Quora application, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, where can you find the Quora app? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Quora and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create a new account. So after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change Quora password. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile initials. So once you click on that, it takes you to this window where you have messages, monetization, your content and stats, bookmarks, draft, and all the way down to settings. So you're going to go down and click on settings. So once you click on settings, it's going to take you here where you have more options. Once you click accounts, privacy, email and notifications, languages, Quora, and space subscriptions, and of course you have display. Now go ahead and click on account. So once you click on account, it's going to take you over here. Now you have the email, you have password, you have country of residence, login security. So go ahead and click on change password. And once you click on change password, it takes you to this window. So now you have to enter the password. So for security purposes, please enter your password in order to continue. So enter your current password. And after entering your current password, go ahead and click on done at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you click on done, it's going to take you to other window where you can now add your new password and re-enter your new password and click on the save button. That's pretty much how we can change Quora password. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.